You can use Google Cloud Storage to store your data for annotation and to load images from Google Cloud directly into CVAT.ai. Once the annotation process is complete, you can seamlessly export the annotated data back to the Google Cloud. Let's begin with Google Cloud. Create an account and bucket and add images that you want to annotate. Then navigate to CVAT.ai, and, in the top menu, select Cloud Storages, then click the plus icon. Fill in the name field and, optionally, add a description. Proceed to fill in all the other fields as well. For authorization, we will use the bucket name and the key file. Let's go back to the Google Cloud account. Open IAM, move to the Service account, and open the Key tab of the project. And generate the key file token. Here we have it. Now let's return to CVAT.ai and finish filling out the form. The Google Cloud Storage will appear on the Cloud Storages page. Next, let's configure a project that will utilize Google Cloud Storage as both the source for importing images and the destination for exporting annotated data. Now, let's create a task and import images into this task from the Google Cloud Storage that we've added. We are going to annotate it to check if everything works fine. After the annotation is completed, you can export the data back to Google Cloud Storage. In CVAT.ai you can do it in 3 clicks. Open the project page, go to Actions, and select Export Data. Choose the format and enter the name of the exported archive. CVAT will take care of the rest. The annotations were uploaded to the Google Cloud Storage. That concludes our tutorial for today. Like, subscribe, share. Happy annotating!